Good morning, everyone. My camera's acting up, so please forgive me. Anyways, we're about to go pick up Alessa from the airport. Ava, give me a time check.
10:10 in the morning.
They're arriving from Amsterdam. After they arrive and we pick them up, we're bringing them back here, we're eating, and then automatically going to Paris for a day. Because we're staying for one night in Paris, and then we're coming back home. That's the plan. That's what we're gonna do today. All the luggage won't fit, so my mom's staying behind. We're now on the way to go acquire the goods. Hi everyone, we just made it to the airport. I messaged and I asked what they're doing, but there's no text back, so I don't know if they made it through customs yet or if they're still waiting on the luggage, but this is so cute. The airport put up Christmas lights. So, we are on our way. Came from Amsterdam, 10:05. There's something going on over there. It's like a dog is sniffing someone's suitcase. So,
Rookie.
I don't know, but I think this was theirs. Was that theirs?
No, it's like 1723.
There's no other Amsterdam.
Actually, yeah, 1723.
They still haven't texted, so I don't know what they're doing. But Ava and I are like, huh? Yeah, Ava and I are just being nosy and looking at what's going on, but they're pulling stuff out of his bag.
That's embarrassing.
So, we don't know what's going on. I'm about to send one more text. It says that their luggage ended. It says that the luggage ended. Oh, my text never sent. Oh, we're waiting outside.
Outside?
Okay, well, we didn't get to watch them walk out. Huh. Sorry, my data wasn't on. We failed.
It's good, man. What's up? How's it going?
Hi, sister.
Hi, I've already seen you.
Lights all day. I smell bad.
I want to hug you. I heard you stink.
Ah.
We're getting eggs for breakfast. 3 or 2?
There's only 3.
That one's cracked.
Oh. Dang. Dang.
This is cracked. Only one doesn't have cracked eggs in it. So, good thing Dad came to look, because I didn't. Kevin is shook they don't keep eggs in the refrigerator.
No, seriously.
We're going to go get some eggs. Vlog, I just thought I should come here and say the stench in the car is not immaculate. The stench is this big. It smells.
It'd be like that, honestly. Traveling for hours straight. Yes. Yes.
I stunk too growing up.
Bruh.
I was just 14 and not 27.
I'm not 27.
He's punching the air right now. Okay, anyways, vlog, Dad is like tripping balls right now. His brain is scrambled like the eggs he's gonna make.
Bruh.
So bad.
I thought it was funny. He's like in a rush to do something. That's him. Right there. If you can see.
Yeah, he was moving real fast.
Dad, she said your brain is scrambled on this day.
You said what?
You are a snitch for real.
What she said?
That your brain is scrambled, like the way you're gonna make scrambled eggs. Gabby said that, not I.
Bye vlog. We're now at Albert Heijn. Albert Heijn. I don't really know how to say it.
Oh, gross.
Cue the grocery vlog
I know.
montage
Dude,
thing.
yeah, kinda hard.
Film her.
Okay, never mind. Plan failed.
We made it back with the goods. Our plan failed. Let's try to be aesthetic.
Hi vlog, we made it home. I want to get Miko's reaction to Alessa being home. We have a surprise, boys. We have a surprise. Hi, Miko. excited. Okay, vlog. I guess my mom got some food ready. Well, my dad cooked that, and my mom did this. So, but I guess she's having that for breakfast. We're about to do gifts.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I'm about to cry!
Yeah.
Everyone help. You're gonna cry over Dyson, but you won't cry that Alyssa arrived.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll be looking fabulous.
You didn't know?
Keith, okay, thanks for the Call of Duty.
Huh?
Wait, what?
Doing the what?
Thanks to Gabby and Mom Snitch.
I didn't say anything.
All right.
No!
I didn't say anything, I swear.
No, because Gabby was like, you should buy it. And I was like, no, you should not buy it. And she was like, no, you should, Dad. And I'm like, and she kept saying,
I didn't know about it.
And I'm like, doesn't need to buy it. Like,
So that's why I figured I had it. Really?
Merry Christmas!
Wow. Hey.
What is this? A cow? It's a potato. Cute! It's a cow! That's from Kevin. It's so cute! Strawberry! Is it the sausage generic? You can't even pronounce it! I got its perfume. Last one.
Oh my gosh! ASMR.
Wow. You dropped something in there. No, it wasn't.
Is this for my car?
Yeah.
I said I wanted one. Last one. Wow. I finally don't have a $20 hair straightener that doesn't even work.
dang.
Thank you guys.
Oh, wait.
Can you get a zoom in on
Dad.
this, please?
Dad.
To Gabby.
Look, I thought that was so funny.
No Christmas I've gotten like my name spelled correctly.
Yeah, we bought that super.
Be for real.
Oh yeah.
Hey!
Hey!
No! No!
I got it. Oh, yo, no way. That's like one of my favorite characters.
Thank you.
Great.
More than all.
It's Hermione and Harry.
Slay! More figurines.
Wow, I have so many. I was really jealous.
Everyone else got it, but
Yeah, I was like,
There's one behind you too.
that's one?
We.
Wow! That is really cute.
I have a brown bag.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Xmas!
Yes.
Yay! Is that your favorite?
Of course.